Welcome to this presentation. This is on AI for e-commerce. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you 20 or so prompts that you can use that will help you generate more sales for your e-commerce store. I'm going to systematically work through prompts for AI product detail pages. These are the pages that your actual product is held on the individual page. AI for SEO and AI search. I'm going to show you prompts that will enable you to come up in the answers. When you search on Google, it's got the AI answers. I'll show you prompts that will enable your documentation and your pages to come up in there. I'm going to show you how to create AI powered sales funnels. I'm going to show you conversion rate optimization with AI, and I'm also going to throw in some prompts at the end that will enable you to set up a chatbot. So let's start off with the AI product detail pages. What we need to do first of all is build personas and understand the buyer psychology. So what this prompt will do is it's a customer insight extraction. Also, just if you want to download these prompts, check in the description. There is a URL and you just drop in your email and they will get emailed over to you. So you don't have to worry about stopping the video, copying them. Just drop your email in there and they'll get sent over to you on a Word document or a PDF. So this is the prompt. You are an expert e-commerce conversion strategist. Analyze this product and customer profile and identify the top buying motivations, objections, anxieties, and desired outcomes. Product, paste URL or the description. If you just paste the URL, you put this into ChatGPT, it will grab the page. Audience, describe your basic audience. Return, top 5 emotional drivers, top 5 objections, top 5 anxieties, top 5 outcomes that they want. Write like a strategist, not a copywriter. What this is going to help you put is it's going to help you create an emotional desire for the person to buy while handling the objections and their anxieties regarding purchasing. You will then also see the outcome that the person wants. Right, AI benefit-led headline and hook. Highly important. This is going to be the headline on the PDP page. So this is the PDP headline generator. Type this into ChatGPT. Create 10 benefit product headlines that show result, time frame, objection that's going to be removed, product. So put in the details of the product. Again, you can put the page in there. Do the audience, do basic audience knowledge about them. Tone, confident, helpful, authentic. Avoid hype, make them feel achievable. What you're doing in here is people buy for a result, so you want to have the result in the headline, and they buy through a time frame. So say, for instance, you're selling whey protein. You could sit there and say, do you want 50 grams of whey protein every single shot, which does not contain sugar, right? Because sugar being an objection to someone buying it, so you remove the objection in the headline. That would help you massively sell the whey protein. And what you're going to do is you're going to do the same. You're going to put that in and it will create a headline for your product that will massively improve conversion ratios. Right, benefit conversion prompt. Convert features into customer outcomes. Convert these features into emotional result focused benefits. Product features. Paste list. Return. Feature. Why it matters. Transformation. Right, people do not buy products for the features in there. They buy it for the benefit and the result and the problems it solves. What a lot of people do when they're creating these PDP pages, they show all the features. People don't care. You need them converted over into benefits. That prompt will do the conversion. Prompt. This is objection handling. What you need to have on your page is you have a frequently asked questions. And the frequently asked questions is where you are going to handle objections, and it's going to be a sales point. That's what frequently asked questions are. They are there to handle objections and generate sales. So what we need to do is we have a prompt, turn objections into reassuring answers. This is and the prompt is create an FAQ list that reduces purchase anxiety. Include trust, delivery, returns, fit use case, results. The tone, calm, expert, reassuring, not salesy. What that will do is that will build you out a list of FAQs, and you then go and just put that FAQs onto your PDP page and you'll sell more. Prompt, CRO PDP review. This is starting to look at the conversion rate optimization, which we're about to jump into. So what this is going to do, review this page and list the top 10 fixes to increase conversions. Focus on clarity, social proof, risk reversal, messaging and layout. Then paste the URL and it will do some very basic conversion rate optimization on your page. Buyer intent keyword mapping. This is really important because basically this is where everyone loses money on search engines. What people typically do is that they will say they're selling mountain bikes, they will try and buy the keyword mountain bikes, where they will lose all their money. What you have to understand is your brain goes through a series of intents when buying. You have the attraction intent, which is very low, that's informational. People don't really buy at that stage. You then have commercial intent, that's where people start buying and they're researching to buy. So they'll type in something like best mountain bikes of 2025, then have transactional intent, and that will usually be brand name which they want to buy and special offer or sale, whatever, because they're then looking for a transaction. What you need to do is you need to target people with the intent where they're actually close to buying this product. So the prompt is identify keywords where the searcher is close to buying this product. Put the product details in, return in a table. Keyword, intent, is it informational, commercial, transactional, buyer stage, why it matters, and that will create a list of keywords. And you can then start sitting there, if you're going to do search engine works, only bid on commercial and transactional keywords. Prompt, this is a cluster builder we're now in AI and SEO answers stage. We transferred out, we finished the last one, so this is where we're looking at SEO. Clusters are basically where you're going to create pages on your blog that will enable you to get to the top of the search engines, right? And will get you into the AI answers. And you need to have what are called clusters, and these are basically, you have a pillar, you then have supporting articles. So a pillar will be like a main page that is associated with a certain topic. So say we're doing mountain bikes, it could be like on trail bikes or something like this, and you're answering questions on trail riding mountain bikes, right? And that will be one of your clusters. So that will be a pillar page. We would then have supporting articles. So we would have best trail riding bikes of 2026, how to top list, something like that, right? We then have frequently asked questions about the trail bikes. That's going to get us into the AI answers. We then have internal linking, and we then ultimately we're going to push on the revenue driving topics to the main page. AI optimized collection pages. This is basically where we're creating pages which the AI system can collect data from. So this is going to write SEO friendly copy for collection pages. It's going to sound neutral, be benefit led. This is the prompt is write an SEO friendly copy for collection page. Must sound natural, be benefit led. Mention pain points, audience, put the audience in there, product category, put that in there, and that will start generating these SEO friendly pages that you can then use to push into your main product. AEO Search Engine-Optimisation. Optimize page for ChatGPT best answer. So the best way to get into ChatGPT is ask ChatGPT how to get in there. So optimize this page so that ChatGPT Gemini would select it as its best answer. Return clear definition, key benefits, structured headings, support proof, FAQ, and it will start creating the page so that it can pull answers off of it. So when people question it, you come up top. Prompt, optimize this page for ChatGPT Gemini. Now that is a general one, and that's a search engine audit. It's going to go through and it will optimize all your page, start taking stuff out, putting stuff in, changing words, etc., and that will then optimize it for you so that it's going to get ranked by revenue impact. Right, we're now on sales funnels. So this is AI funnel strategy. Prompt, funnel strategy map. Sales funnels have to be a series of pages, email, etc. So map the ideal customer journey from first click to repeat buyer. Include awareness, trust, decision, loyalty steps. Show messaging needed at each stage. That will then show you the attraction content, which is the awareness phase it needs to go through. It will show you how to create trust with the person. It will show you how to get the person to make a decision to buy your product. And it will show you how to make them loyal. And it's going to map all of that out for you. Lead magnets are basically documents, etc., where people can download something in exchange for your email. So you need to get these. But what a lot of people don't do is they make the lead magnets very generalized so that people will opt in, but they won't buy from them. So this prompt is going to stop that. What it's going to do is it's going to attract buyers, not freebie hunters. So suggest 10 lead magnet ideas for this niche that attract buyers, not freebie hunters. Include reasons why each works. So you could then start making this content. Bang, you start building up client lists. Prompt landing page structure. You need to have landing pages in a certain structure so that people will buy from them. So here is the prompt. Write a landing page structure for this funnel stage. Cold, warm, hot, audience, details, product details, tone, helpful, calm, helpful, expert, calm. That will then create the funnel. So what I would do if I was you, because I would start sitting there saying the stage, do warm and hot, and the audience, say what your audience is, show the product. You can just do a link over to it and it will start building out the landing pages. Prompt email series builder. Create 5 email sequence to nurture new subscribers into buyers. Avoid hype, focus on trust. And what that's going to do is that's going to build like just a 5-day email sequence. It'll put everything in there that you need to actually sell to the person, and it will turn the new buyers from your lead magnets into buyers. Prompt funnel fix list. Audit this funnel and show the biggest leaks and where revenue is being lost. So you then just put in the URL for your funnels, etc., and it will basically audit them for you. Now let's have a look at conversion rate optimization and how we can use AI to solve increase it. AI CRO scoring system. So what we really need to do is we need to get the page scored to see where we're lacking. So the prompt is score this page across clarity, motivation, friction, trust. Give recommendations prioritized by ROI. AI message testing. Message testing prompt. Create 5 alternate value propositions for this audience. Tone, human, grounded, outcome based. What this is going to do is it's going to create value propositions for your audience that it believes that you want them to buy. So it can create packages from your products, etc. But it will sit there and say, this is what the audience wants to buy. So you can then start crafting your offer around that. Prompt AI objection smashing copy. What this is basically going to do, people have objections to saying, this is going to smash those out the way. Rewrite this section to remove fear and uncertainty while sounding honest. Audience is skeptical but open-minded. What that will do is it will look at your page and it will sit there and say, right, you've got these objections, let's smash them, and it will make it so the person feels safe buying from you, and that you're honest. Usability fixer. Pretend you're a new customer. Where would you hesitate? Why? What can be fixed? You want to do this on the whole of your site. Just put in like your URL in there and then use the prompt. Pretend you're a new customer. Where would you hesitate? Why? How can it be fixed? And it will go and tear your site apart and sit there and say, right, this is bad. This needs to be fixed. Whatever. Really simple. Prompt ARO testing roadmap. So you've now got to like sit there and say, I need to test this site. So you're going to create A/B testing, etc. And we're going to look at the highest impact changes. And just all you have, very simple, create an A/B test roadmap with the highest impact changes first. That's going to go through the whole of your website, and then it will then start structuring a roadmap for you to get on track, get everything fixed. Prompt support and intent mapping. Okay, right. We're now on to chatbots. Sorry. What I'm going to do in here, this is very basic. I wanted to give you a view on why you should set up a chatbot for your company. Chatbots can handle about 80% of your e-commerce sales, your support tickets, sorry. So what you really want to do is you start with this prompt. Identify top 20 support questions from this audience group by pre-purchase, order support, product use, retention. You really need to go and get your tickets from Zendesk or something like this and upload those tickets. It will analyze those tickets very, very quickly, and it will then sit there and say, right, this is what everyone's asking, and it will start grouping them by pre-purchase, order support, product use, retention. You can then create the bot to handle those questions. Right, AI response system. Create helpful conversational chatbot replies that reduce refunds, build trust, increase repeat purchases. If you've uploaded all the Zendesk tickets, it can analyse them and it will sit there and say, here's where you can reduce refunds. Here's what and it will look at the tickets that have already gone through and it will create the best responses. Prompt AI sales chatbot. Write chatbot flow that recommend the right product based on goals and constraints. I would put this into a piece of software called VoiceFlow, which is a chatbot software, and it will create the perfect chatbot that will recommend products for you on your site. Escalation design. What this is doing is it's having a look at when should the chatbot stop and hand the problem over to a human. So what we have here is define rules where bot must hand off to a human to protect the customer experience, and it will then create the rules for them so that then if someone's talking to the chatbot, the chatbot will then sit there and say, okay, I'm actually screwing up here, and hand the conversation over to a human. So let's have a look at what the return on the investment is. Just type in this, show how AI chatbots reduce workload, increase sales and improve retention, and it will show you exactly how you can build one out that will help you. So I'm kind of hoping that has helped you. I'm hoping those prompts will help your business. My name is David Tainch. I've been running an AI agency for well over 3 years now. I run a company now called A Digital Plan. If you want to take this any further, you can have a look at our website. If you want the prompts, just opt into the email in there, and we'll email over to them, over all the prompts, everything like that, and you can see how AI can transform your business in 2026.